This is the fifth video about if statements. If you are interested in watching the previous videos on this topic, the links are given in the description box. In this video, we are going to write the code for the example we discussed in the previous video. So there are 6 color ribbons in the box. If a person picks orange or red, then they are in the red team. If they pick blue or violet, they are in the blue team. And if they pick the remaining 2 colors, which is green or yellow, then they are in the green team. Let us go to Python and see how to write the code. First, let us write the conditions. So orange or red means red team. So we have 2 conditions. The color can be equal to orange or the color can be equal to red. What do we do when we have 2 conditions? I'm sure you know this. Yeah, that's correct. We write both the conditions together using logical operator. So in this case, we will use OR operator because it can be orange or red. So let us write the condition color equal to orange. Within single quotes, we write orange, or color equal to within single quotes red. In the same way, let's write the condition for the other 2 groups. So for the second group, we write color equal to blue or color equal to violet. And for the last group, we write color equal to green or color equal to yellow. Done. We have written this. So we have written 3 sets of conditions. Now we are going to put this condition as part of our if statement. So how do we do that? So for the first condition, we'll put if in the beginning. So it becomes if color is equal to orange or color is equal to red, and then we put the semicolon, colon, and then after this enter tab key, and now we write print within brackets single quotes you are in the red team. Done. Now we write for the second one where we write elif. So we already have the condition, so we write elif in the beginning. So color is equal to blue or color is equal to violet, then put colon, then enter tab, and then we write print, open the bracket, close the bracket, within single quotes you are in blue team. So now finally we have one more set of conditions for the green group. Now we know that there are only 6 colors in the box. So if somebody did not, let's say when we run the program, if somebody had not taken orange or red, then it will come here, and if they have not taken blue or violet, we know that they should have taken either the green or the yellow, right? So what we can do is we can directly write the else statement in the else block. So we can write else enter, colon, enter tab, print, open bracket, close the bracket, within single quotes you are in green group. So we don't need the last set of condition. We can take that off because for the else we don't give condition. Now let me create a variable in the beginning of the code which is called color, where we'll put violet, and let's say because I picked violet ribbon, so within single quotes we put violet. Okay, now what will be the output? Yes, I will belong to the blue team, right? Because Python checks if the color the color is equal to orange or red, which it is not. So it will leave the first block and then it will check the next elif block. So now in the elif block, the color which we have taken is violet, which is there, which is the color is blue or violet, then what does it say? You are in the blue team. So now let's save the file and run the code. So as I just explained, the output is the print statement in the elif block, which is that you are in the blue team. Now let's change the value to orange. Now save the file and run the code. The output will be I belong to the red team. Now what will happen if I change the value to green? So let me change it. Now Python will check if the color is orange or red. It is not, so that if condition becomes false, so then it goes to the elif block. In the elif block, the color is not blue or violet, so again the condition is false, so it skips that block. And then what is remaining after that? The else block. So in the else block, it will print the last statement that we belong to the green group. So let's save the file and run the code. We got the output. Now let us say that we are going to add a few white ribbons to the box. It's kind of a very special color we are going to add to the box. So if a person picks a white ribbon, then they are directly selected to the final team, right? So how will we write one more block for this condition? Can you try writing the code for this condition? It is very easy and you will be able to write. We can write the code in two different ways. So you can try writing the code all by yourself, and then we have also given the code for both the different ways in the description box. Please try writing on your own so that you can learn how to write if statements like top programmers. And then you can also have a look at the code that we have written, which is there in the description box. So we have seen an exercise about how to write if-else statement, and two exercises about if-else statement and one more about how to write if-elif-else statement. So I hope you were able to understand if statements now. If statement is a very big topic in programming, and we have only seen the very basic way to write it. There is a lot more thing to learn about it. After we learn to write this basic one really well, we will write a lot of exercises in our advanced courses also. Okay, so see you in the next video for the assignment. If you have any any questions on this topic, please leave a comment and codepannu.com team will try to reply to your question. See you in the next video.